Act like we never left. What is good, everybody? Today's video, the narcissists in their wild ass addiction. And you already know how I get down. I don't like to waste time and I'm ready to get into it. So let's do that right now. The substance abuse, alcoholism, porn, the sex, gambling, the compulsive shopping, social media, it was all a way for them to get stimulated. It was all a way to get distracted from the real work the fucking trauma survivors actually have to do in order to heal after dealing with they raggedy ass. See, we think we know what we're signing up for until you read the fine print later in that contract. We think we can handle this type of behavior later because we've been conditioned to believe in second chances. We've been conditioned to not give up on the people that we love, right? We've been conditioned to think that our love, structure, compassion, and understanding, oh, that can work miracles on people. But what happens when you combine a narcissistic partner who is constantly making impulsive decisions, explodes in rage, never takes any accountability, blame shifts, manipulates you emotionally, withholds physical and emotional intimacy, plays the victim, combined with their addictions, where you now also have to clean up their messes, help fix their financial fuck-ups, forgiving cheating and lying, get them into rehab constantly, have interventions every other fucking day. What happens then, Lil Moccasin? Because from the looks of things, it consumes our entire fucking lives. And I'm not using that shit as a euphemism. I'm talking about the time you should be taking for work, friends and family, community events, self-care, and your own damn health, all get now put on the back burner to literally be the caretaker of the narcissist. And did you sign up for this shit? Did you make this your next life's goal? To uphold principles and standards of a relationship or marriage that only one of you lives by? Did you sign up to have your empathy used as a place for them to park their pain and addictions at? That sounds a lot like one-sided love. A trauma-induced love. A love that's unrequited. A love that leaves you unfulfilled. And it has, nor will it ever be, your responsibility to monitor and take care of a whole ass adult. You were looking for a partner, not a fucking project. And the longer we take to accept that reality, the longer we keep trying to Google shit, convince ourselves they need us in their lives, the longer we miss the boat on most important point here. You need you more than they ever fucking did. You need the same love, care, and gentleness, but most importantly, you deserve to be in an environment that's conducive to growing and being at peace. And if you ever had to live through this shit, it's exhausting. And I'm not talking about the type of exhausting that some little nap is gonna fix. Nah, going to bed at 7 p.m. last night won't help with this shit. The only thing that will help is getting unplugged from the matrix. The only thing that will help is going no contact, is learning how not to feel guilty for carrying burdens that were never truly yours in the first place. And yes, you've spent years of your life trying to piecemeal this shit together. So question for you. You trying to spend hella more time doing the exact same shit? Because one thing you learn if you ever been with a narcissist before is this shit don't get no better. Nah, Lil Moccasin, this shit only gets worse and more intense as you go. Because they'll continue to get more reckless. And you know what that does, right? Puts us in more danger. And I'm using that literally. So do yourself a favor. Get the fuck out expeditiously. As always, thank you to every single one of you for tuning in and checking out this video today. If you're new to the channel, become official to the squad. Hit that subscribe button and that bell notification down bottom. Become an official part of a team that will always push you towards personal greatness. I'll be back soon with another new video. But in the meantime, have an amazing day. Stay strong and stay inspired. And as always, until I see you guys next time, peace.